The first thing we're going to do in making our website is to choose a theme. A theme is what's the overall look. One of the things when you're looking at a theme, you want to find out where the menu items are, the page numbers. Up here you'll see that the page titles are up here, and you click on those words to open each page, just like my website. You can see it here. Here it's at the top, but sometimes it's not always there. Most of these so far are at the top. Here they've got some pages right here, and up here it's in the upper right hand corner. So they don't give us a lot of themes. That's changed a bit. So I'm going to choose this one right here. So we'll click choose. And now we will be choosing our address, our subdomain. Our domain is Weebly.com. So if you look at this, the last part, mine is geber.weebly.com. So the part that goes in front of the .weebly.com is the subdomain. This is the domain is Weebly.com. So we're going to click here, and you're going to take your first name. I'm going to take Karen, and then I'm going to put the word tech, T-E, and I'm wondering if it's going to be gone now. Nope, I deleted my one site, but it's still saying that it's taken. So I'm going to try an S here. We want to find something that is available. So I'm going to put Karen's Tech, and then I'm going to hit continue. So that is going to be the address for our site. And the next thing we're going to do, we can take a look at this, and I'm going to take a look at the document that I'm giving you. So number one, you're going to choose a theme and a subdomain, and it gives you an example of what your URL, your web address will look like. We're going to give our site a title. So you can see from the example, you're going to take your first name, apostrophe S. Here's my example, Karen's Computer Class Website. You're going to take your name, apostrophe S, class website. And then we're going to delete all the pages except for one. So let me go back to that tab here of Weebly. So we're going to add a title. So up here we have our main menu. This is build, and this is where you'll see all of these that are called elements, title elements, text elements, image element, button, dividers, embed code, and you'll learn a little bit more about some of these things. But first we're going to do is I'm going to make a title. Right now we're working on our home page. I'm going to click and drag this over here. And when I do, I'm going to click here and give it a title. I'm going to call it K-A-R-E-N apostrophe S, Karen's Computer Class Website. And then I don't like the way it's over to the left, so I'm going to change the alignment and move that to the center. I'm going to highlight all of this. I'm going to make it a little bit larger. I'm going to change the color here. Right now I don't have a lot of color going on, so I can pick anything I want. So we took a title element, dragged it over here, and made our title. Next thing we're going to do is get rid of some of these pages right here. We're only going to start with 2 for right now. So we're going to delete 1, 2, 3, 4. To do that, we need to click on Pages, and this is where you manage all your pages. I'm going to get rid of this page, so I'm going to click here, and I can click Delete. It's going to confirm that. I'm going to get rid of this. Delete and confirm. I'm going to get rid of portfolio, delete and confirm. But before I do that, I want to show you how you can make a subpage. So if I take this, click and drag this and scoot it just in a bit, you can see a little bit of difference. Right now it looks like I've only got 1 page, but really I have 2 pages, and that would be my contact page. Here's the main page that I'm on, but if I want to see that page, I click, and that's a sub page. So really there's nothing here, but I'm going to delete that. So, and if I wanted to reorder, I could simply click and drag that around. I move this back to the front so they're all even along the left hand side, and now you can see I have 2 pages instead of sub page. But I'm going to delete that and then confirm it, and I'm going to add a page. So I'm going to click on this plus sign right here, and we're going to choose a standard page, and you can see some of the other choices that you have here. But right now, standard page, and we're going to give it a name, and we're going to name games. So you're going to put some of your favorite games here. Now, if I didn't want you to find this right now, I would click hide but we're going to leave it. We're also going to leave, let's see what our choices are. When you choose a theme, sometimes you have different choices. So I'm checking to see what that is. Either I can choose a header, which means a picture like this, or no header. Right now I'm going to leave the header. So I'm going to leave it alone. And I'm just going to start working, and there you can see is my second page. I'm going to click done, and then I'm going to go back to the build option. So right now I'm on the games tab, and here's my home tab where I gave it a title, and here's the game tab, and we'll worry about that. So let's get started with all of that.